aking chicken, spicy chicken soup. Ayan, malambot-lambot na siya. This is tastes like parang native chicken. Good for a big snowstorm tomorrow. Kaya paglalabas, magpapala ng snow, may mainit na manok na hihigupin. Hot pepper. Ayan, para medyo maanghang siya. Ayan, medyo luto na yung ano. So, ang ilalagay natin, sweet peppers. Italian sweet peppers. At saka, dahon ng sibuyas. Ayan. For my chicken spicy soup. Super sarap. Ayan. Tapos, ang ilalagay ko susunod is bok choy. Ayan. Daming bok choy at saka spinach. I like a lot of vegetables. Kala mo, marami kakain, ano? But yet, I'm the only one that will eat this spicy chicken soup. And then spinach. I like vegetables. Ito yung maraming vegetables. Okay guys, ready na. So tomorrow we have a big snowstorm. Malamig. Perfect ito sa ano, sa yung sabaw. Kain tayo. Ito na yung spicy chicken or native chicken. Ayan, tikman natin yung sabaw. Oh my gosh. Maanghang siya but it's not too much. Tapos yung sweet pepper. Ayan, nagpapa ano ng additional more flavor. Sarap. Sige guys, kain tayo. And if you wanted to learn how to cook this very special chicken soup, just subscribe, likes, and then leave some comments. Okay, thank you.